the Hard Rock Resort, Universal Studios Orlando. Y'all, it is beautiful here, beautiful here. December the 2nd, 2022, here for our Orlando Informer meetup. Y'all, this fountain is something else. If you haven't stayed here, y'all, check it out. I'm gonna kind of give y'all some clips to let y'all see the hotel. We've already did the rooms. Absolutely beautiful hotel to stay in. You do get express passes. That is your room key when you stay at one of the top 3-tier hotels: Hard Rock, Portofino Bay, and Royal Pacific. So let's go in, y'all. Walking in, y'all, they are decorated for Christmas. So we got the Christmas tree in the middle, velvet bar. Y'all, this is a beautiful, beautiful hotel, beautiful. So you're here in the lobby. Absolutely beautiful. It is one of our favorite hotels to stay at. That's a Mardi Gras themed tree. So let's go take a peek at the pool area, y'all. All right, y'all, we're in the pool area. The pool is pretty, y'all. So if you haven't seen the pool, this is the pool at Hard Rock. This is the outside of the back side of the hotel. It's very, very pretty, y'all. One of the prettiest pools here. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, Sapphire Falls pool to us is actually prettier, but it's still pretty, y'all. All of the pools here, now if you stay in one of the on-site hotels, you can, from some of them, I don't think you can from Surfside, but you can pool hop. You can take advantage of the amenities at different hotels, even if you're staying at another one. So y'all check it out. This is the staircase coming through Hard Rock, y'all. It's absolutely beautiful. Pretty, pretty. Morning. Back up into the lobby. And we're gonna head into the rooms.
I'm terrified of slugs.
Everybody's getting out and about. There's the rock shop. Let's go check on Melissa, y'all. Bring my community K-Cups with me, y'all. I want y'all to check out the room a little bit. See what y'all think. Let's see. All right, let's get my community coffee going, y'all. All I had was cafe special. I didn't have any dark roast. I got to get my water. So let's check the bathrooms out real quick. Bathrooms are a little small. They're not as big as the like Portofino Bay, but they're very nice. I do like it that they have the sink in here in the bathroom, and you also have the big area. Hey, y'all. Hey, everybody. You have the big area out here for y'all ladies to get ready, or somebody can be at this sink, somebody can be at that sink. It works pretty good. It's pretty neat. That's little drumsticks. The decor is pretty neat. You get your own little K-cup. Let me grab a water. I had put the water somewhere. So I'm gonna get my coffee going here. We bring our own water, y'all, because that Fiji water is $7.50 a bottle. Sure. Nope. We ain't paying for that, y'all. We are not paying for that. Absolutely not. I'm gonna just fill my cup up. Fill my cup up. Pour in my water. We're gonna get my first cup made. All right, now we're gonna come into here and we're gonna check out the living area. This is the TV. And every time you come in here and you turn the TV on, y'all, you have the Universal resorts showing you the different resorts. Like I said, now we move in here, y'all. We bring our fan. Does anybody else do that? I do unpack most of my clothes. Melissa doesn't. We've got a pretty good view of the garden. As you can see right there, we're on the 3rd floor, which is actually, when you drive in, here is the 1st floor, or the floor that you drive up to is the 3rd floor. Be nice. 2 queen room is what we got. They were out of kings. The beds sleep really pretty good, y'all. This is a really neat mirror. I've always enjoyed this. I'm about as tall as, let's just stand in the mirror and let's look. I'm almost as tall as Aretha Franklin. Almost. But it tells you it's got the different people's heights on it, so I don't know if y'all can see that there. But overall the rooms are pretty good. We enjoy it here because it's a 5-minute walk from the, there is a closet right there on the other side. We do have the refrigerator and microwave in there. It's a 5-minute walk to the parks, so that's one of the reasons that it's my favorite hotel here, is because it is so close to the parks, y'all. So y'all check it out. We'll try to get some video of the outside a little bit later, and I'm gonna put all this together so y'all can kind of check it out. All right, y'all, this is the garden area. Look, there's Melissa. This is the garden area. This is where our room overlooks. So it's pretty, y'all. Very pretty. Oh, they doing some work. Yeah, ours is on the 3rd floor, right there. That's it with it open.
Yeah.
So that's us. It's really nice, y'all. The hotel's really nice. Y'all check it out. Hard Rock Resort at Universal Studios Orlando. We're getting ready. We're walking into the park, so we're walking on the walking trail. Right now, we're here the week that the boats are shut down for a week. So we're gonna be walking every day, which is good because it's only a 5-minute walk to the park, y'all. Check it out. Hey, y'all. Craig with the Bickhams. I hope y'all enjoyed this video showing y'all the Hard Rock Hotel and Resort in Universal Orlando, Florida. It's absolutely, the hotel is one of our favorites because of the location to the parks, y'all. 5-minute walk, we can go back and forth and rest, not a problem at all. We've come here and we relax. We kind of take our time at the parks. We don't get in any hurry. This is the only parks that we do, Universal and Islands of Adventure, while we're here. So I hope you enjoyed me showing you the Hard Rock Resort. It does everything that it should for someone that comes over here. It's very clean. It is our favorite because of the location to the parks. That is the biggest thing for us, but everything else is very pretty. The pool area, the people are very nice, just like every other resort we've been at. We've never had a problem here. If you got any value out of this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's short, but I was trying to just kind of bring some key points to that, what we like to of the hotel for y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It absolutely helps us grow. We appreciate it. We thank you so much. Don't forget to check out Orlando Informer as well, y'all. That's what we're here for. We're here for the Orlando Informer meetup. We go tonight. This is Saturday night. It started last night. We didn't make it last night. We only had tickets for Saturday. Definitely check that out. Orlando Informer. It is the Orlando Informer meetup. You'll love it. All the food you can eat. They rent the whole park out, both parks, from closed to about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. No wait times on the rides, y'all. Absolutely wonderful community. You get to meet and greet a bunch of people from all over the world that comes here for that, y'all. It is a great thing. So check it out, Orlando Informer Meetup, y'all. Absolutely wonderful. Good to see everybody. Craig with the Bickhams. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Bye, everybody.